Yes, Alex, go ahead with your question.
Yes, thank you, Prof.
Hmm.
Mine is just a comment, just appreciating this a lot. Thank you so much. May God bless you. This
Oh,
is
thank you.
a lot of knowledge. Yeah, thank you so much. I had issues with my internet,
Hmm.
but I'll catch up with the lessons. Yeah,
Okay, no problem.
thank
Thank you
you.
so much. I really appreciate it. And Alex is a student that graduated from Trinitech, and you decided to come back and take this AI. Yeah, you what class were you in, Alex?
Class 42.
Oh, you were in class 42, but you had also attended before, right? No,
Yes,
yeah, you had attended before and you came back in class 42. All
right.
right. Well, that's good. So,
Mhm.
yeah, and this is a skill set that will keep giving because again, this is a brand new technology. And for you to even have an idea about it is a big deal. It's still emerging. And that's why they're paying all of that money. And if they see any of those AI tools on your resume, recruiters will be like, "Oh my God, this guy's he must be really good." So don't play with this. You know, you can make a lot of money with this. So
Yeah, good evening, Prof. Once
good
more,
evening.
and also
Yeah.
thank you very much for introducing this class. As you also, I mean, you can recall I'm also a past student,
That's right.
as
Yes.
of,
What class were you in, Shepard? Shepard was way back in the days.
I think 2017 or
Yeah.
18.
Was it like class in the 20s, right? Or was it in the
Yes,
teens?
in the teens. Yes, yes,
I
Prof.
think it was
Yeah,
class 18 though.
but
Yeah, I think you were in class 18 if I'm
but
not
no,
mistaken. Yeah.
right, right, right.
Yeah, go
And
ahead.
it's been very helpful, very helpful. I mean,
Mhm.
like as you just said about this AI, it's something else I was thinking about, but I didn't know which branch. I mean, you
Mhm.
really opened my mind, and I really appreciate it. And I also want to thank you very much and pray that God gives you the strength to continue in this effort to
Thank thank
enrich us, at
thank you
least.
so much, Shepard. And I'm glad that you called, you wanted to come back and gain knowledge. You're always doing that. And again, I just pray and hope that this course will be instrumental in enhancing your skills and adding to your and also taking your career to the next level. So I know it will happen. So keep going, man. And sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. All right. Current AI positions needing your skill set. A cross-discipline position that blends AI, machine learning. Machine learning is a cousin of AI. They all go together. AI used to be called machine learning not too long ago, right? So AI, machine learning engineering, DevOps automation, and operational resilience in enterprises. So you can have typical responsibility include building and deploying AI-powered ops pipeline, like what we just did using rulebooks, self-healing agents. You see that? That's you guys. Have you used a rulebook? Have you configured set self-healing? Creating scalable machine learning large language module. These are all AI terms. Large language modules, LLM systems integrated into CI/CD workflow, continuous integration and continuous deployment workflow. So you at this point with this knowledge, you can literally integrate these AI modules into DevOps CI/CD pipelines. Monitoring infrastructure health, which is what we've done with our this second project, even the first project, like monitoring the health of our application, monitoring the health of our volume, automating remediation, which is what we've just done, and optimizing incident handling. Collaborating with SRE, right, data and software engineering, right, uh, teams and scalable automation framework, right. So, you can collaborate with other engineers in a production environment to integrate AI into the environment, operating in on-prem, cloud, hybrid environment. So which means everything we've done here, which was on-prem, can also be done on cloud systems. So which just means if this our central server was in the AWS cloud, that can also be integrated. What we need is just the IP address. See that? That it will be the same thing. And it would monitor storage in the cloud and also expand it. So so let's look at some of the positions. Staff level machine learning engineer roles. Look at the salary, guys. With some hedge. So some of these hedge funds, they are looking to hire people for up to $400,000 a year with your skill set. All right, let's look at the lower ones. Broader job positions for AI ML roles at 0.72 tends to least. Okay, so we have some of them going for $185,000 to $300,000 a year. These are actual companies that are advertising. We have these elite AI labs and big tech giants like OpenAI, Google. Some of the jobs range from 200K to 370K. Then look at the big guys right here. $1 million to $5 million per year. Quite amazing. Look at the companies. Quite amazing. Look at this one, guys. This is crazy. That's 50 million to 100 million per year. Right? This one probably have you to do this. It probably will have you acting as a consultant. They probably will give you like a big project, or that is a contract, and then you probably will hire people to build AI modules. Right. So you can look at this. So this is no joke. Definitely. I mean, if you want to build a resume that takes this into consideration, then you want to have a very solid resume. It's a multi-platform resume that shows them that you have all the skill set, like the system skills, AWS skills, DevOps skills, right? Networking skills, security skills. Then you add this to it. Then this now goes deep into AI, and then you have extensive AI skills. Because if they're going to hire you for this type of positions, then they want to make sure that you also have a solid background in everything else. No company will trust you, or will trust to hire you for and start paying you money like this without a solid background in everything else. You see that? So just so you know, we had the first session. There's a young lady now that has gotten a job, and she's doing this. She's working with the AI modules that we learned in session 1. She will talk to your class one of these days. And she said this class helped her a lot to get that position. So don't take this for granted.